Computers are smarter than you think. They go through so many calculations just to get our job done. Have you ever wondered how these machines get to execute a numerous task? Well, it will interest you to know, computers do not understand English, even though we have so many alphabets on our keyboards. Then you may ask, how about languages like Python, C++, C#, etc.? Are they not computer languages? Technically, they are. However, practically, they are not. Alright, let us break it down a bit. Programming language like Python, C++, and C# are like the everyday English language to the computer. These languages belong to the category of high-level language. They need to be compiled into low-level language before they can be executed. In other words, the computer has a unique language. The unique language is a low-level language, which I'll be revealing to you in this lesson. As the name implies, low-level languages are machine languages. They are cryptic in nature and difficult for humans to read. The low-level language instructions are written in binary. This enables the computer to instantly carry out the instructions. There are two common categories of low-level languages that you should know. One is assembly language, and the second is machine language. The assembly language is a low-level language designed and customized for a specific processor. Assembly language is a step closer to the high-level language than the machine language. The assembly language does basic operations such as performing calculations and moving values into the system memories. For the assembly language to run, it is converted to machine language using the assembler. An assembler is a program that converts the assembly language into machine code. The second category is the machine language, or machine code. It is referred to the lowest computer language level. The machine code contains binary data, which is often generated from the compiled high-level source code for a specific processor. In most cases, developers do not tamper this compiled version of their code or even look at it. The only set of developers who view these compiled versions are the people who build compilers and the operating systems. Seriously, life of a programmer should not be this difficult. The reason why software developers stick to high-level language and let the compiler do the hard thinking for them. As a programmer, it is not a bad idea to understand this fundamental principle of machine languages. In the next lesson, you will learn about high-level languages. And of course, programming languages like Python, C++, C#, and JavaScript falls under the category of the high-level languages. And that will be all for now. I'll see you at the next one.